So, for the astute thinker out there, this still leaves two interesting questions about REM and non REM. Why do they cycle 4 to 5 times a night? The current leading theory is that non-REM sleep weakens REM off cells until REM on cells are stronger, initiating REM sleep. But then REM sleep strengthens REM off cells until they are strongest and prompt a return to non-REM sleep, and so on. Next, why do REM periods build over the night, so are longer later in the night? There are likely many reasons, but the current leading theory by McCarley and Hobson in 1975 goes like this. The build-up homeostatic demand for M3, or sleep drive, leaves little time for REM earlier in the night. But as it accumulates, its need decreases, and there is increasing opportunity for REM. We'll revisit this question later when we look at functions of sleep and dreaming. The cycling and REM length theories are the most promising theories that are currently being tested. If validated, the search for underlying neurological mechanisms will begin. Finally, when you awaken, your thalamus first activates the cerebral cortex, then opens the gate, allowing sensory information back into the cerebral cortex. This is a rather abrupt gate opening with an alarm, and a more gradual one without an alarm. To remain awake, your brain depends on activation of the reticular formation to send relevant stimuli to the thalamus, and the thalamus sensory information gate to be open to relevant sensory information so it can be relayed to the cerebral cortex for processing. It also relies on the basal forebrain's release of acetylcholine and histamine, along with glutamate and orexin again, all which induce and maintain wakefulness. So there you are. This concludes our lecture on the sleeping brain. In our next lecture, we will explore the physiology of the sleeping body.